Hello guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can install Steam in your PC. So guys, if you're trying to install Steam and you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. The first step is to open any browser that you have. I'm using Chrome, so I'm just going to type in Steam download that. Once you do so, the first option would appear. Just go ahead and tap there. This is the Steam website. Now once you're here, now you'll see the option that says install Steam right here. So you can download Steam in Windows and Mac and many more options. So it says all the features it has, this Steam chat, game hubs, broadcast. It's also available on mobile for those who don't have access to PC. There's all kinds of things. So we just need to tap on install Steam right here. You can see it is being downloaded for it to download. And once you're here, just open your Finder and you can find Steam right here. Just go ahead and open it and now transfer the Steam to your application. So you have successfully added it to your application. Just go ahead and tap on applications right here and now check on Steam. Just need to find Steam. It's right here. Just go ahead and double tap it to open. Just go ahead and tap on open again. So it's updating Steam and downloading the update. Just go ahead and wait for it. So you can see the download progress right here. Just wait for it. Meanwhile, you can just scroll down and check out all the cool features it has. So there are also the options of jobs, about Valve, Steam Works, Steam distribution, support, gift cards. So if you need gift cards, they're right here too. So Steam's also in X, which is formerly called Twitter. And there's also the language option. You can change it through here. You can also try to log in by tapping over here. There's the option of community, about, support. It's a very versatile and diverse game. So it's almost downloaded. Let's go ahead and wait for it. So it says that you can also sign in through QR code. If you're new to Steam, just go ahead and tap on create an account. That should do it. So guys, the download is completed. So it's extracting package now and installing the update. So through Steam, now you can play different types of games that you like or have always wanted to play, but you couldn't find the correct platform for it. So this is what Steam is all about. So there you go. Now you have successfully installed Steam into your account. Just go ahead and sign in, or you can also sign in through the QR. Tap on sign in. If you don't have an account, tap on create a free account. If you can't remember your password, just tap on forget password and you can do that too. So if you're having trouble signing in, you can tap right here. So guys, there you go. That's how you install Steam in your PC. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.